Hello friends, this is RQ. A hearty welcome to all viewers of RQ Civil Nirman. But before going to discuss today's topic, thank you all viewers who are supporting a lot. With your support only I can do my best. So those who did not subscribe my channel, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel RQ Civil Nirman, and also follow on Instagram, Facebook RQ Civil Nirman. Today I'm going to discuss about Vastu Part 2, tips and 10 basic rules for construction. Vastu provide basic tips for the house construction that can be followed at the time of construction. Even they are also applied during the head hunting of plot. These enormously useful tips of Vastu is followed religiously can yield best results immediately in terms of good health, wealth, prosperity and containment. Here are some important and authentic Vastu tips for the house construction. Rule number 1. Before starting the construction, some things have to be considered, such as shape of plot, which is the most important to determine. Irregular shape plot can have bad impact on occupants. So choose regular plots such as square or rectangle. Rule number 2. Vastu suggests digging a well in northeast and after that to start the construction. Rule number 3. Open space should be given more towards the north and the east and less towards the south and the west. Rule number 4. Open space at southeast and northwest should be equal. Rule number 5. Avoid planting trees in the northeast corner while all the other directions are suitable. Heavy trees must be grown towards southwest and southwest side. Rule number 6. More windows must be given towards east and north, while southern and western side must be avoided for windows and doors. Rule number 7. Avoid doors in straight line. Front door must be larger than other doors, especially exit door. Rule number 8. In the plot's western side must be elevated than eastern side and southern must be elevated than north to determine the spaciousness. Rule number 9. As discussed, northeast is the first to dig and Vastu recommends starting construction from here and then move forward to east, north and finally south and west. Rule number 10. After the foundation is dug in northeast, pillars must be stand starting from southwest and later to go in southwest direction and finally in east and north. Thanks for watching. So if you all like the video, kindly subscribe my channel RQ Civil Nirman